Yo, hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and I am back again with another product. You'll notice this because we'll get into what we're talking about right here. And let me show this to you. It is this guy. This guy is pretty cool. But before we get into the product, let me talk about that up here, which is sponsored. I just want to let you know, I'm just being totally transparent that the company sent this product to me so that I can show you all about it. So let's get into it. It is from Movo. It is where they want creators. It even says so right there in the box. Creators wanted. USB audio interface Phantom. Now this is the Phantom dual channel USB to USB-C audio interface. It's for all kinds of stuff, for recordings and podcasting and audio production with USB-C smartphone input even. So it's really cool. You get two XLR inputs right over here. You get adjust for those. You have the computer or smartphone or whatever attach point to USB-C here with its own independent control there. And then, of course, your outputs to your headphones. And I mean, it's just got so much in here. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside the box. And the hard part is showing you what's inside the box when I myself haven't even opened it yet. Phantom Audio. What's in the box? It says it's a Phantom audio interface, USB-C to USB-C cable, 6.35 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter adapter. Oh, that's nice. USB-C-A to USB-C cable. Cool. And then open your camera app on your phone and you can scan the code. There's a code on the back. Now, that is everything inside that box so far. We'll set you over there. And let's see, what do we have right here? Cool. So there's a bunch of stuff in here. Nice. You got a nice little Creators Wanted sticker. I'm going to put that somewhere. Huh? Oh, okay. Are you happy or you're not happy? Well, so far, I'm kind of happy with what's going on. But what I like about this, let me see if you can, yep. It'll have QR codes and information on how to contact them if you have any concerns. So you got a problem, go to them. They want you to come to them and talk to them about it. So you also have your take advantage of exclusive offers. You can scan this and take a look at other products that Movo provides. As well, you have your quick user guide or quick, USB interface introduction, walkthrough, instructions, all kinds of stuff in here. This is pretty darn cool. I'm curious about the connecting, got to connect power and also USB-C. So data port for the computer used to include USB cable to connect to your computer for connecting to an external power supply. So a lot of things about this that we're going to have to check, walk through, and take a look at to see how this stacks up and sets up. Yeah, kind of nice little sticker there. Ooh, this has got some really nice heft to this. I like this. All right, let's go ahead and set you down here. And let's pull out the other items that are inside this box. You get these two items here, and there is your adapter pieces. Nice. This is really nice, actually. And then there's the packet thing to keep the humidity out. All right, let's continue on into this. Let's do the obligatory peel. Now, I will tell you first things first, nice solid rubber feet. So once you place it wherever you want to place it, it is not going to scooch, move on you too much. You also do have a nice control or a peel off section here. And then you have, which is nice and get it to where you can read it properly. I don't want to put it on its knobs, so I'll set it here like so. You have your power. Again, that's what I was looking at in the book, is that you have the power that you use to power the device. You also have the connection to connect to your computer. You have the controls because there's LEDs in the front. I think it's 7 different colors and you can change the brightness. And then, of course, you have your monitor output. Let's say you have some of those large studio monitor speakers that you want to play your music. In my case, it would be video. If I'm editing videos, I'd love to have a good, decent set of speakers so I can hear what's going on and all that. Before we get to the front, you'll see the top as it says Movo, and it's just surrounded in a nice, cool metal jacket. All right, without further ado, we'll talk about this guy right here. And it is in the front here, you have your XLR, well, your multi-component. You can also, yeah, nice. So you can connect those that way, not just XLR, but you can also use Let me make sure that it fits there. Pretty sure it is. Ooh. And then you have the adapters. Nice. So you should be able to, yep, there you go. So if you happen to have your audio coming through on this, you can plug it in this way, or you can use it to plug in an XLR cable, which I have right back here. That is not working for much for me. So, and you can see, I can't pull it forward because it's locked in, but you can see a little bit of it right there. I don't know, can you see it on the other screen? Not even much there. So trust me, I have an XLR cable right there. Yeah, so nice, solid connections. I love the conversion so that you can plug these into smaller devices and smaller receiver end devices. You get two of those, and which is nice is that I already have a headset that has this, so I can plug that. Ooh, it's like butter. Snook. Sounds so good. All right. So in the box, you have two USB A to C's, and then you have a small C to C. Hush, hush. B to B. Sorry. Too shy to shy. CC. All right. Now I'm going to look at the manual real quick to see what they're trying to tell us what to do. I don't think you'd need much more because it's audio than the if you wanted to. All right, guys. So here we are. This is the audio. And as you can see over here, you can see that the audio is dancing because I have my XLR mic plugged in over here. You can see that it's dancing right there. I have activated. That's that red light is 48 volts. And then of course, because I'm not using an instrument, I am using I'm talking into the mic and it's a microphone and not an instrument. And it's this XLR plug-in style. I'm leaving it in that position. Now what's really super cool is whenever I decide that I'm going to go ahead and jump into some podcasting, I have two podcasting style mics. This is a boom mic. This is a, shotgun, style mic. A really good, really nice mic I got a long time ago. But I've got two Rode mics that I have two arms for where I can run a podcast, which means I can run my second XLR input into this, adjust it the same way as I have over here. I have it adjusted pretty darn high. Also, we'll show you here in a little bit as we bounce through all the colors. I like the green, so I'm going to leave it for that for just a little bit. The other great feature I love in this is, let's say you don't want to broadcast it out to a computer. You can plug it in here, and I actually got to test it out before. But what's really cool is you can actually plug your phone and broadcast all this mic volume and in professional mic into your camera or into your phone just by connecting here. And then also you adjust the volume and output through all of this. So you can use this in here. I've actually plugged this in before to play some music through it, which is kind of cool. And then all that, in addition, as you saw when we showed the backside, you have 4 sets of these plugins for your video, your monitors. So you can use those plugins for monitors, and you can turn them on and you can turn them off just by pushing the button. You also have the capability of muting. Check that out. The whole thing goes red. Isn't that cool? You definitely know if you've been muted, right? So let's push the button and we are muted. Not us, but the output to the monitors has been muted. And this whole thing lights up in a really cool red bar. How cool is that? You know if you're muted. Now, if you're a red bar already, I don't know. We'll have to check it out. And then, of course, you have your monitor, headphone monitor right there where you can update the direct. You can put in the headphones, and then you can also adjust the volume with your headphones. Yeah, and that's the only button that mutes. That is so cool. Right? So right now, this is adorning my desk. It looks very nice. As you can see, I have my camera on top. It's the Movo, and I also got my cool little green plant sitting up there. You can see that there. And then, of course, with all my other connections. So this is where my mic goes, and it's connected up top here. And I can actually show you. So that cable runs all the way up through there. I've got to clean that up. But there's my shotgun mic right up there. You can see that. Really cool, really great tool to use with any type of audio. And again, you're hearing me use it right now. I've got it turned up a bit, but it sounds really good, I think. Hopefully you're going to like this. You heard the previous volume before, and that was off of using my Shure mics, which sound great for themselves, but they're meant for, these are meant for the field and out and about doing things and, recording and getting those audios. This is more professional inside the studio. Yeah, so we have a really good professional setup over here, and it looks really good. So love how you get to watch those lights bounce. You get to see that you're running close to the red. I also have other meters that are showing me I've got those pulled back a little bit. So even though those show that we're bouncing close to the red, we are not peaking. So it's really good. All right. So guys, I hope this was helpful for you. I really do appreciate your time. And I'm out.